In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SOL to your Phantom wallet and swap it for a meme coin. To get started, you'll first need to ensure that you have some SOL in your Phantom wallet. You can do this either by buying SOL directly through the app or transferring it from another wallet. Once your wallet is funded, you're ready to venture into the decentralized exchange landscape. Next, you'll need to open a decentralized exchange, commonly referred to as a DEX. There are various sites to choose from, like Jupiter or DEX Screener. These platforms will facilitate swapping your SOL for another token. Once you've selected your preferred DEX, the first step is to connect your Phantom wallet. To do this, click on the Connect button. You'll then see a list of wallet options. Choose Phantom. Follow the prompts and approve any requests, which connects your wallet securely to the DEX. With your wallet connected, you're now ready to dive into the exciting world of token swapping. Now, let's pick the token you're interested in. You have two options. You can either browse through the list of available tokens, or if you already have a specific meme coin in mind, you can paste its contract address directly. This ensures you're looking at the exact token you want to acquire. It's quite the adventure to explore the wide array of tokens available on these platforms, so enjoy the exploration. Once you've selected your token, it's time to execute the swap. First, decide how much SOL you want to exchange. Enter that amount and then set your slippage tolerance, which is usually between 1 to 2%. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price. Setting it correctly can help ensure your transaction goes through smoothly. After all parameters are set, click Swap and then confirm the transaction within your Phantom wallet. After confirming the swap, voila, your new memecoin should appear in your Phantom wallet shortly afterwards. In the case that it doesn't automatically show up, don't worry. You simply need to manually add the token address to your Phantom wallet to make it visible. And there you have it. You've successfully added SOL to your Phantom wallet and traded it for a meme coin. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful, and that you're now ready to explore the vast possibilities of blockchain trading.